Hello friends and my viewers, good day to you all. Today we are rounding off the casting of our tie beam reinforcement. So far I want you to see what we have done so far. We've been able to complete the casting of this double wall. As you see, we have successfully completed the casting of this very section of the job. So you can see that clearly, though the weather is not friendly. So we also have completed the basement, the reinforcement for the basement. That is what you can see. So all the pillars have been successfully done. We've done that. As you can see, the job has been completed. So that's just the last lap that our man is trying to finish there. So very important. Now, as we have finished the casting, the tie beam reinforcements, the next phase of this job is commencing tomorrow. We have finished everything concerning the basement apartment. So the next stage is to remove the formworks by tomorrow, then level this laterite, level the sand, and get it to this height. This height is what the engineer has specified. So we're going to fill here. We're going to fill this space. Fill this space as well. Fill this space as well. Then level this portion. By the time we get that done, we're going to we're going to compress the laterite sand. Make sure it's compact enough. Then the next stage will be to do the ground floor slab. That is for this basement apartment. So for the front apartment, the casting of the tie beam will commence tomorrow. Let's go around and see what we have there. So tomorrow, most likely, our men will have to do formwork installation here. Take it around. All these pillars, do formwork installation. Get to this point and take it round all those pillars. Going to do the formwork, including here. The tie beam reinforcement. We start doing the casting. complete the form work. And we'll do the casting as well, which will terminate on this pillar. It's going to terminate here on this pillar. This is where it's chained. Very important, you can see that. So the moment we finish that, then we'll commence the sand filling with laterite. So you can see the depth for yourself. You can see the depth for yourself. So massive amount or quantity of laterite will be needed to fill it to DPC level. So we're making arrangement for that. We're making arrangement for material supply. We're making arrangement for that. So hopefully tomorrow more work will be done on the side of the front apartment. So thank you for watching. Endeavor to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. To have a wonderful day. Thank you.